Hi everyone, welcome to Lisa's Law Solicitor's litigation vlog. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching this video. My name is Yitong Guo. I'm a trainee solicitor at Lisa's Law. Today, I will give you a brief introduction on what we do in our litigation department and how we may help you. I hope you find this vlog useful. At Lisa's Law, we have a dedicated professional team dealing with arguable issues which you may also understand as litigation matters. You may think, this is a very wide topic, litigation. That is correct. Litigation, in its widest general term, may include matters from criminal to civil, commercial to private. And the forms of proceedings can vary a lot too. For example, negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and obviously court proceedings. In reality, only a very small proportion of cases proceed to full trial. Most of the cases will settle before the final step. You may wonder how this is relevant to you. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are a landlord of 3 properties, one of which you are in a joint ownership with your wife, who you also live with, together with your 2 children. This is the first property. You let the second property you own to 6 individual tenants with shared bathrooms and kitchen. This is the second property. You let the third property to a commercial tenant and signed a lease. Now, your wife is telling you that she would like to get a divorce, and she's asking you to give her the ownership of the family house. And she's trying to get full custody of your children. For the second property, the governing council just served you a notice of fine for £20,000 because you let the property as the HMO, house in multiple occupation, without obtaining a license. This is a financial penalty. For the third property, the limited company who rents the premise is defaulting rent payment, and it has been over 4 months. You understand, they're not going to move out. Meanwhile, your business partner, who you were in a partnership with previously, had acted on behalf of the partnership and signed commercial contracts after he had left the partnership. Now, the claimant has sent you a pre-action letter in regard to the breach of the contract, which you were not aware of. He is also claiming compensation. Now you may ask, can Lisa's Law help with any of these situations? The answer is yes, we absolutely can help with all the issues that I have just described. Our areas of work cover litigation matters in civil, family, commercial, and private. In the unfortunate situation, we can act for your divorce and related issues, such as matrimonial finance dispute, child contact arrangement, whether in the UK or in an international jurisdiction setting. In the example above, for matrimonial finance dispute, we will help you with a full procedure from disclosure to mediation, dispute resolution, with your best interest in heart. We will aim to reach settlement without going through trial. For child contact issues, of course, the general rule is always to consider the best interest of the children. You may have to go through procedures such as child contact assessment, fact-finding hearing if applicable. We will guide you along the way. Lisa's Law's litigation team also has the expertise to help you with any landlord and tenant issues, landlord and local authorities dispute, and anything as such. For example, your HMO fine. As described earlier, we will review all the facts and documents and communication, lodge an appeal to make sure you have a fair chance of being heard. We will actively get in touch with the council to negotiate for you to see whether you might be exempted or whether you have reasonable excuse for not obtaining a license, and to advance your case. For the non-payment commercial tenant, we will act in accordance with lease and current legislation based on your instruction. Once you clarify your intention, we will be able to devise the next steps. Possession procedure is more of a standard one. Our work will include serving notice, application in court, witness statement, and a counterclaim defense, all the way through to enforcement after, if required. For commercial clients, as in the example, we will be able to look at the contracts and the facts in regard to the partnership and seek to set aside the contracts and to avoid your personal liability as to the claimant's compensation. In this case, the departing partner may well be personally liable if any cost occurs which you may claim against. These are just very brief showcase of some litigation work we do at Lisa's Law. We are also experienced in dealing with HMRC for tax and VAT issues, which we have obtained satisfying results for our clients. Other work we do include all contractual issues, personal injury claims, and employment disputes. We'll be sure to do more vlogs on these areas, so please stay tuned. You're more than welcome to get in touch if you have any inquiries that is of a litigating nature or that you're not sure. You need all the information that you have which is relevant to provide to us. Paperwork, contracts, anything in writing, photos, screenshots, which could all be potential source of evidence. So please be patient and cooperative to help us understand your case fully. Do you have more questions? No problem. Feel free to get in touch with us by phone. Also, please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn for more free legal information and news. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe us. My name's Yitong. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.